Embarking on the journey of nurturing plants is akin to cultivating dreams. Every gardener or plant enthusiast knows the thrill of watching a cutting develop roots and flourish into a thriving plant. To enhance this process, rooting hormones play a pivotal role. While commercial options are available, crafting your own homemade rooting hormone offers a personalized touch and a sustainable approach. In this guide, we unveil 6 powerful and cost-effective recipes, along with their ingredients, concentrations, and benefits, to help your cuttings flourish with vitality. Before we move on to the list, there are lots of you watching the video without hitting the subscribe button. It would be highly motivating if you could just subscribe. Okay, moving on to the list. Number 1. Cinnamon elixir. Here are the ingredient and concentration: 1 tablespoon ground cinnamon and 1 cup water. For application, boil the water and stir in the cinnamon. Let it cool and strain. Apply to cuttings by dipping or spraying. Moving on to the benefits. Cinnamon possesses natural antifungal properties that help protect delicate cuttings from diseases while stimulating root growth. Number 2. Aloe vera solution. The ingredients and concentration are 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel and 1 cup water. For application, mix the aloe vera gel with water thoroughly. Use it to soak the base of the cuttings before planting. Here are the benefits. Aloe vera contains enzymes and hormones that foster root development, alongside its moisturizing and protective qualities. Number 3. Honey blend. The ingredient and concentration are 1 tablespoon honey and 2 cups water. For application, dissolve honey in water, ensuring it's well mixed. Dip the cuttings in the solution before planting. Moving on to the benefits. Honey's natural sugars provide energy for rooting, while its antibacterial properties aid in preventing infections. Number 4. Willow's wisdom. The ingredients are 1 cup willow branches with leaves and 3 cups water. For application, chop willow branches, boil them in water, and let the mixture steep overnight. Strain before use. Here are the benefits. Willow branches contain indolebutyric acid, a natural rooting hormone, which encourages rapid root development. Number 5. Aspirin elation. The ingredient are 1 aspirin tablet, uncoated, and 1 gallon water. When it comes to the application, crush the aspirin tablet and dissolve it in water. Use it for watering the plants. Let's have a look at the benefits. Aspirin contains salicylic acid that promotes root growth, enhances plant immunity, and aids in stress recovery. Number 6. Cinnamon honey fusion. The ingredient and concentration are 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon ground cinnamon, 1 cup water. For application, mix honey and cinnamon in water, ensuring even distribution. Use as a soak or spray for cuttings. This blend combines the benefits of both cinnamon and honey, offering a well-rounded solution for rooting stimulation and protection. And that is with the list. Empower your gardening journey with these remarkable homemade rooting hormone recipes. Happy gardening!